Hello, this is David from CarDoc Cornwall in Penryn. Today we've got a Citroen DS3 wing which has got a nasty dent in it, and I hope you will enjoy this 3-minute presentation. Here you can see the dent, it's just towards the edge where it joins the bumper. The paint was damaged, so it wasn't a good candidate for paintless dent removal, but nevertheless I'm removing most of the dent using those techniques. Next thing is to mask up and protect the bumper area so I can sand down the metalwork to get to the bottom of the dent, and then I can apply the filler. Once that's dry, I can then go over it with some black powder coat, which helps me to see the low areas. A bit of tapping down of some high spots, and then I can give it another coat of filler just to level it off completely. Here I'm preparing the rest of the paintwork with a 1000 grit Abralon pad, so that enables the new paint to stick. And a good clean off, and we're ready to start masking for priming the area that's been repaired. That's the tape being folded over there and the masking film being applied, and I can get the first coat on, which is etch primer. The etch primer is dried with the infrared lamp, and then I get 2K primer on there, which is a heavy duty primer, gives a nice surface ready for painting. I can then sand that off with 400 grit just so it's ready for painting. Removing the masking and just finishing off the bumper with a couple of minor nicks in the bumper which needed to be sorted out. And now I can mask up for the rest of the car for paint and lacquer. Now the masking's done, I apply a bit of dark grey primer over the area because it's almost the same colour as the original as the paint finish, and then paint it, and that's 2 or 3 coats of paint and then a final drop coat for effect to make sure that all the metal flakes lie properly. Next, a coat of lacquer, followed fairly quickly there by another heavier coat of lacquer which is ready for finishing. Some fade out thinners to blend the edge of the lacquer into the adjoining panel, and a bit of drying, and then we're ready to start polishing. I pretty much got a gun finish on this, which means that the texture of the lacquer matches the existing texture of the car, so it didn't need a lot of polishing, and there's the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video.